This is a small deck, and the weather has gotten to it. A lot of people like that silvery gray color. There's nothing wrong with the structure itself. But as you can see, there's a piece at the top that is extra silvery white, and it's rotted out. So you can actually just take that rotted part out with your hands, which is what I did. I just took it out, and I actually saved it thinking, oh, I could use it as a pattern. Lucky for me, there was some wood in the basement that was the right thickness, and it was weather treated. So I'm just going to take this board and cut it up. I used to make clothes a lot, so the measuring comes naturally and easy to me. I like taking pieces and figuring out the shapes to put it together with another piece to make a different shape. So that's what I'm doing here. This is the deck finish. This is the wooden pieces are in, but I decided I would stain it and, make it look a little bit more lively. Ta-da! So it looks great now. It's totally stained, and it rained on it and it's fine.